Wycliffe.
You can ask him now.
Wycliffe.
Yes.
Hi, you. My daughter at Widener University. They've been raising a lot of money for Haiti. And every person gives 10 money and sign a big wall. And they would like to send it to you. So I had asked Dr. Chopra if I could mention that, and if they are at Widener University.
Okay, this is what we can do. After this interview, what we will do is I will give your daughter the Yele Haiti number. You'll give me her, and so we're gonna call your school directly.
Okay.
So I'll call personally myself.
Okay.
So I'll make the first phone call, and then I'll put them in touch with the Yele Haiti people, the ambassadors of the universities, and then I'll have them take it from there.
Also on our channel, on the Deepak Chopra Global channel, if people want to donate, they can go to your website.
Yeah, they could go to the website Yele, YELE.org. Or they can also text.
Okay.
They can also text YELE 501 501. Send.
So they can text YELE 501
501. Yes, sir.
Send. And